Hi there, this is Adventures with Dr. Joe. I'd like to introduce you to a really price-effective product that I just bought from my mountain property. You know, it's nice to have a multi-function small trimmer just to keep things neat, take care of your ears, your nose, your sideburns. I'm not talking about a shaver, I'm talking about a personal groomer and hygiene and other areas, chest, down below, etc., that we want to keep clean. There is a great device made by a great brand called Norelco I'd like to share you with, and it's cheap. 20 bucks buys this. This is the Norelco Multi Groom 3000 13-piece all-in-one trimmer, and it is excellent. $19.99, and it gets you everything you want. This is a huge improvement over the previous one because it has a lithium-ion battery. The previous ones had a nickel metal hydride, which you know have memory. They just don't last as long, and this is a great advance. It has all stainless steel blades that self-sharpen. There is no need for lubrication, no oil, which is really great. So let's take it apart and take a look at it. In addition, I got this really nice case that's made specifically for it that has all the compartments for all the parts, and we'll put them in here and see how that fits. So when we take this apart and open the box, we get a nice little storage bag, but unfortunately everything is going to be in here and be kind of cluttered, so that's why I chose this box. You get a set of instructions as well as a barcode, which allows you to register this super easily, so that's what we did. So it's got the groomer, and by the way, when you charge this, it can run continuously for 60 minutes, which is fantastic. Here's the charger. The active parts are the nasal and ear hair clipper, the very fine detailed clipper, and then all of these different grooming heads for beards 1, 3, 5, and 7 millimeters, and then also for hair 9, 12, and 16 millimeters. So it's really quite versatile. Taking these heads out is really simple. You just pop the top. When you want to put it back, just snap it. It's really nice and easy. These fit just equally as nicely. Put the little clip back, and there we go. We're good for the trimmer, the precision trimmer, and now we're here for the nose and for the ear. Let's put everything in this carrying case and see how that looks. Look at this case. It's quite nice. Here's the trimmer fitting in there really well. And again, it's got a really nice sound, not obnoxious. Here are the two motorized parts as well, and then all of the different clippers, the brush, and the charger, all in this nice little case that you can purchase for $15. So I did up the ante, $19.99, 20 bucks basically for the all-in-one trimmer, and 15 bucks for this case. But boy, is that nice, portable, everything's in one place, and I think it's going to serve me well. Consider it when you're looking for a personal groomer. I've had a good experience with Norelco products in the past. This one looks great, and again, the motorized handpiece is not waterproof. Don't get that wet, but all of the heads wash off easily in water. They self-sharpen, no oil, and again, it's got a precision trimmer. It's got the nose and ear trimmer, as well as the 3 blades for the beard and the rest for the hair. So this is a really good value, and I'm looking forward to many years of use with it. Thanks again for looking in. Please do subscribe. Please consider liking and commenting. I love the comments. They're fantastic, and I do try to respond to them all. If you click the bell by the subscribe button, you'll get a notification for each new video. Thanks again. Stay safe.